Good morning, guys. What's up? It's a beautiful day today, and it's a very important day today. As you all know, that but my woman, I'm going to inform us. As you all know, guys, that we've been praying for solar and Starlink. Guys, it's a big day today, as I'm telling you that right now we've got an installer who is helping us to install the solar panel. I'm very excited, and then later on around afternoon the guys from Starlink will be joining us, and then they will be installing the Starlink internet limited Wi-Fi. There will be no more network problems. As you also guys that I've been struggling with the network, even sometimes when I want to go, I love posting every day. That's something you need to know. I love posting every day, but because of network I was not able to post anything because of network. So today is the last day that I stopped posting. If you see me not posting, there's no excuse, guys. I'm going to be filming, posting, and showing you everything here at the mansion. So I want to give you a small update before we go to the solars. I want to give you a Fauran update. So they've been they caught bed bugs in the Fauran Nata, guys. There is Nata now in our Fauran. So very soon, or later today, after all the installations are done, we're going to be spraying Fauran Medu. Hopefully we'll do that in time so that Snomvara before ukudza pinda mkati, and then tomorrow will be another day safely. So far we have two hens which hatched, and there's also a turkey. Currently it has four chicks. The turkey has 4 chicks. So those are some of the developments that are happening. So I'm going to take you inside so that you can see the installer. So this installer does Muno Maseke, guys. For those who need his number, I'll pin his number. You know, everyone that I work with, most of the time I'll plug you guys, especially those very Maseke. If there's anything that I will do, for example, if you also want someone you should ask me for their numbers. If this guy is going to he's going to do the installation for the solar. If you also need your solar installation done, you can ask me in comment section. I'll also plug you. Okay, so don't mind to try installation. My man, okay. Where? Let me take I wanted to leave the tripod outside, but we have to take it inside. Tip step and a battery. Where am I in? So these are the things that we are going to install. This is our inverter. This is my inverter that I bought, guys. The one that we are going to use. This was the controller. And here is everything now happening here, so that you can see everything from inside. Creo. Sapere anche quando ma in buona maniera orbita. Cosa che da tosca molto, non per la nessuno. Pamuruda kuiisa. Okay. 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 As long as it's chungo is, you mean you know these things better.
Right.
Alright. I just demand how many hectares. Ayo atinyanyotambira padhuze neni. Mari? Zvese panapa kana kutotsvera yadhi tojaira. Nani mafuta? Salona kuna mafuta sana. Ndio banda tomira moyo. Mati? Oh, muri kuzvinzwa. Ai. Oh, that's kuzvinzwa. Vachiri vadiki vaisa amachembere. Vachiri vadiki vaisa amachembere tafunga zveutano stereki. Vachadyira kunakira. Vadyira kuraka utano. Inoshandisa kebhera sei?
Inoshandisa C+. Apanera mbiri wakakuningirira.
Okay, akamamtaura. Yes, pinda. Tunabeba kitu. Vibori tu. Pinda. Kukuta bu. Kukuta bu. Sabi. Terima kasih dia kasihan. Uyu anu. Halia. No, I'm sorry. Go. I'm not going to go. They don't follow the passport. They own intervals.
Muna class, muna C class.
C class ndo base tone nanzi yo C class le C type le.
C type yo.
Waona
Uyu mwana wangu.
wangu.
Wangu. Mana Paling Mbak apa lagi? Jadi Pak Magadi, Mbak apa lagi Magadi? Mana tak?
Valentine.
Valentine. Valentine.
Tiga.
Apa masalah? Saya masih kan nama.
Tiga.
Vamos como já.
Tiga. Udah pakai kamera.
Onde?
Uyu bei Maria nanda tu jipi.
Ora più mande.
Ini Maria tu yang uya.
Ongota più kumba.
Eh.
Wapisani ana. Kuona tumkoma di wa sasa.
Ndasenga message nofuka tu zona wabuta.
Kwa maana ndo shahidi. Sura enda mesenda. Essa winsolerwa sola iya. Sola iya. Saku insolerwa. Sola iya. Kuti tikwanise kuchaja mafoni. Tukwanise kuchaja mafoni ndite.
Wanaenda ule kwa sababu.
Teruko watata kusaje. Sola iya. Ndo chatandika ishi. Kuchunzi. Turaje testament.
Mambo yanatengeneza hivi.
So nelaitira so takunga manje enda kusola tinoitira kusola izvi zvasvikaisa zvosimudza manje plus TV has not been working since it came and because kangoikonecta for 2 minutes zvinobva chatopera moto so titakwanisa kushandisa TV handiti
Unopindirwako? Unopindirwe? Tangume.
One. One. So guys, chakuradza kana taakupedza. We'll show you guys when they are about to finish and it. We'll also when they are about to finish and also when we continue with styling, guys. And we'll continue very soon.